Word to your mothers, you stunning little saucepans. That's a nice one. People have been complaining that I'm insulting you too much on this. First of all, they're not serious. Second of all, they're very, very sweet terms of endearment. Just because you don't speak the same language of love that I do doesn't mean that I'm wrong. Typewriter Series 461 today. Here's your wee paper. Looks like this. As always, on the back, there's some stuff. This one looks like, I don't even know what that is. Maybe some ducks dancing and a Ferris wheel. I don't know. Who cares? Here's your poem. I wondered today if all the things I am making with my 2 hands, my 10 fingers, my 1 mind, are actually making me. As I bring more into existence out of the nothing that lives around me, are more pieces of me being brought to life at the same